What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to put a lock on a cabinet or drawer. This is going to be a cam lock. Um, these are the parts that comes in the bag. You're going to need a screwdriver. I have the one that's has both Phillips and flat. This is where's it going. I have the hole pre-made, and you gotta make sure you file a little bit on the sides so you'll be able to fit this piece here in here. That piece is going to hold the cylinder in place so it doesn't move when you use the key. Okay, put it in the cylinder. Alright, next we're going to put this piece next. We're going to screw it in. Turn it around until you got the proper thread. There you go. Alright, next we're going to put this over the piece. Right on here. Alright, next we're doing this other piece. It's going to actually be what makes the door lock. It holds goes right in there, as you can see. And next is the screw in the back. And this is when you take your Phillips and that's it.